Connect the cables to the anchor terminal fitting by inserting the cable ends into the acorn-shaped casting of the anchor terminal fittings. Using two flathead screwdrivers, separate the three strands of the cable at the end. Place and insert the triangular wedge between the cable strands. The triangular wedge must point toward the cable. The strands will fit in the grooves of the wedge. Remove the screwdrivers and move the acorn up the cable until the wedge and cable are in the acorn as far as they will go. With a hammer and punch, drive the wedge into the cable at least 3/8 of an inch, but no more than a ½ inch past the end of the cable. Drive the acorn up onto the cable until the top of the wedge is even with the bottom opening in the acorn. The three strands of cable should be nested in the grooves of the wedge. Place the nut inside the opening of the acorn fitting and thread onto the threaded rod. Connect the anchor terminal fittings with cable attached into the anchor post.